In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can email customers on your Shopify store. So emailing customers can be helpful for a number of reasons. You could be looking to welcome new customers. You could be looking to send some product updates. You could be reminding customers about their abandoned carts. Or you could even be promoting certain things like special offers or discounts. So regardless of what you need to email the customer for, let's jump into it. I'm going to show you exactly how you can email your customers right now. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your orders on Shopify, which you can find over here. You then want to look for the customer that you actually want to message. So I've just set up a test order here and I'm just going to click on this one, but you want to select the right one for your store. It will depend on who you actually want to email. So go ahead and click on it. Now you can see all the details about the order. So it's pretty easy to actually email the customers. All we have to do is find their email under contact information. And as long as they have actually left it, we can just click on here. And then here's where we can actually contact the customer. So if we leave the subject like this will actually input your store name into the message. So it'll say message from, and then it won't actually say this, it will say your store name. And then here's where you can actually type in your custom message. So your customer might have bought something but not actually included their full street name or something. So we can just send out a message saying something like, "Hi. So we could put something like this. Obviously you'd want it a bit more professional than what I've done. I've just done like a simple little thing. And then when you are actually ready to send it, we can select review email. And then here we can see what it is going to look like when we actually go to send them this email. So you want to make sure it does look professional. And then when you are happy with the email and you're ready to send it out, you literally just want to select send email and then that'll be sent. So hopefully you now know how you can email customers on Shopify. If you do, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.